Hello fan collectors. What we have here today is this 42-inch turn of the Century Jette II ceiling fan that I bought from Menards. And I'm really glad I have this fan. And it's the first time ever I've owned a top mount fan with 3 blades, and me and my friend added the light kit with it. And I've also decided I wanted the black finish on, and it looks really cool with the black finish. And I'll go ahead and turn the light on for you. There's the light. And then the fan, which I'm going to start it on low. Oh, there we go. It's a really nice low speed. I mean, you can feel a little, actually you can feel just a little bit of air from the low speed. Alright, and now I'm going to rub it up to medium. Or turn it on medium, I'm sorry. So here's medium. You can feel, some air on medium. Alright, turn it to high speed. And it moves some good air on high speed. And back up a little ways so you can see the fan on its high speed. Really like the way it looks in this garage, really do. Alright, then turn it off. By the way, this is installed just temporary, but as I said before, I really like it and I'm glad I have it. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off. But anyway, hope you all enjoy the video. So, see you later.